Hi class, happy Wednesday. Do you like my new Roseville Raiders face mask? I just got it in the mail. The gymnastics team in Roseville was selling them, so I had to get one. Okay, it's kind of hot, so take that off. Wanted to show you what's coming up for you in school for Wednesday. If you get to the end of this video, you get another song on my ukulele. So let's pretend you're in first or second hour. Let's pretend you're in first hour. You need to find the Wednesday folder. It's orange, my favorite color. Click on that. Okay, there's two things in here. First, you're going to finish your name tag. If you missed class this week, you probably don't know what I'm talking about. We are each making a name tag, and it's about who we are. So you'd open this in Google Slides. I checked, and everyone has permission to edit it. If you need an example, you can look at my example. You can look at Miss Town's example. Also, some students, like Ladahua, is almost finished with his. Some students are rocking and rolling. Miss Crystal's on a good start. If you want to use the template, like Gayla Soang finished hers, she did the template, that's awesome. If you do not want to use this template with the ideas, just go ahead and click on the template, delete it, and then you can have a blank slide. Okay, that's the main work. That is probably finishing that would take you about 15 minutes. So what are you going to do for the other minutes? Well, you're going to do a discussion post. So I have a discussion post. It says, what do you have in common with your classmates? Let's see what that says. Okay, it says, read your classmates' name tag slides. Find 3 students you have something in common with. Write a discussion post that tells you and what your 3 classmates have in common. Example, Miss Towns and I both like orange. Miguel and I are similar because we both like soccer. Something that Miss Towns and I have in common is that we are both teachers. Okay, so how do you write the sentences? I gave you some sentence starters here. So like blank and I both have blank. Or blank and I are similar because we both blank. The most advanced sentence frame, like in English, grammatically would be this last one. Something I have in common with blank is blank. So what you would do is you'd write a discussion post you just write it as a comment. Write the discussion post. You can see I did mine down here as an example, and then I'm giving you some credit for writing the discussion post. Okay, so to recap, you go in this orange folder, first finish your name tag, then finish the discussion post. Okay, I promised you a song. It's coming up. Here's the lyrics to the song I wrote. If you watched my video before school, you know this one. Here it is, live. If somebody says you can't go to your school, you know what you do. You go into your Zoom and I will be waiting in your Zoom room too. I'll be waiting for you, 'cause Zoom school is so cool now. Zoom school is so cool. Zoom school is so cool now. Zoom school is so cool. Zoom school is so cool. We've been waiting for you. That's your concert. That's your work. Have a great day. If you need help, I'm here to help you between 2 and 3. I will be in my Zoom room waiting for you. Hope to see you there.